kids, and welcome to San Francisco, California. And we're sitting here in front of this beautiful monument. And the reason that we're here is because we're having a little Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, 23rd of December, and we're having a Christmas picnic of Venezuelan pan de jamon, which is a traditional, one of the most traditional, probably the second most traditional Venezuelan Christmas dish. And we got it at the newest Venezuelan restaurant in San Francisco called Arepa Latin Kitchen. And we want to show you a little bit of how Christmas is celebrated in Northern California. Come with us. Hola chicos, bienvenidos a San Francisco, California. Hoy es el 24 de diciembre. Estamos celebrando la Navidad con un picnic aquí frente a uno de los monumentos más hermosos de la ciudad de San Francisco. Y el picnic fue con pan de jamón, que es el segundo plato más tradicional en la Navidad en Venezuela. Y lo compramos en el restaurante venezolano más reciente que acaba de abrir acá en San Francisco, llamado Arepa Latin Kitchen. Y los queremos invitar a explorar con nosotros cómo se celebra la Navidad en el norte de California. Así que acompáñenos.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow and snow, snow and snow, in the bleak midwinter. Angels and archangels may have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim from the winter air, but his mother only in a maiden bliss worship the beloved, worship with a kiss, with snow and snow, 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 snow and snow. What can I give him? Poor as I am, if I were a shepherd, I would bring a lamb. If I were a wise man, I would do my part. Yet what can I give him? Give my heart. And the sky let go, laying snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, laying snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, laying snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, laying snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, laying snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, snow and snow, 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 snow and snow. What can I give you? Poor as I am, if I were a shepherd, I would bring a lamb. If I were a wise man, I would do my part. Yet what can I give you? Give my heart. And the sky let go, lay in snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, lay in snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go, lay in snow on snow, snow on snow, snow on snow. And the sky let go,